Welcome to Tech Reveal. We are going to explore settings configurations in OnePlus 7. The OS is Oxygen 11. When we are scrolling from top to bottom, we will get this window. Here there is a gear like icon. We can click on that. Then we can go to the settings. Here the first settings is Wi-Fi and network. Tapping on Wi-Fi. Now I connected with Wi-Fi. Again going inside Wi-Fi. Here it will show them whatever Wi-Fi connection we already connected, as well as currently what we are using. That one it will show here. Here it's showing connected one Wi-Fi network. If we need to add another network with this device, you can click on add network and give the network name, security, everything. Otherwise we can connect with this QR code scanner. We can click and we can scan the code to add the network. We'll go to the Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi preference. First one is smart Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So this option we can enable and disable it. So if it is enabled, when we are getting high quality networks like home network or office network, it will automatically turn on Wi-Fi and it will connect it. So intelligently select the best Wi-Fi. So we can enable this or disable it. So it will select the Wi-Fi among the best network connectivity. Advanced settings, notify for public networks. So if we are roaming around the public places, then if there is a network high quality Wi-Fi, then it will automatically give the notification for us. Scan always available. So this one allows services or other apps to scan for networks even when Wi-Fi is off. So we have switched off the Wi-Fi from the settings, but other apps, whatever it's installed in this device, if it requires Wi-Fi search, means without switching on Wi-Fi also it can able to search for Wi-Fi. That is, it can able to use the functionality of Wi-Fi for the apps. We can enable or disable this one. On Wi-Fi direct, so this is used to connect for the Wi-Fi direct. On install certificates. Install certificates means if we are having some certificate downloaded any certificate from other source, we can keep it in this device. We can select and install those one for Wi-Fi support. Network rating provider, so it will provide the network rating for the Wi-Fi connection. This is MAC address, randomized MAC address and IP address. While we are connecting the network, it will automatically give the MAC address and IP address. Going back, saved networks. So this one it will give what are the networks we already connected, we saved earlier. So these are all the saved networks. If we need to remove, we can give forget. So it will delete it from the saved network. Wi-Fi data usage. Here we can analyze how much data is used by apps and also period. We can check this one. This is for only identifying the data usage by apps. Going back, again going back. So here next one is SIM and network. Tapping on SIM and network. Here in this device there are two SIMs, Jio and Vodafone. Going for SIM 1. We can enable disable SIM with the first option, SIM 1. there is a blue color, it's enabled. SIM name we can change it, and VoLTE, that is for 4G network connectivity. Wi-Fi calling, if we enable this Wi-Fi calling, when we are connected with the Wi-Fi, the call is made through the Wi-Fi, not from the SIM. Calling preference. So here there are two options: call over Wi-Fi, call over mobile network. So we are giving the preference for call over Wi-Fi. That means Wi-Fi is connected, then it will call over Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it will call over mobile network itself. Network settings, roamings. We can enable or disable this roaming. The access point for the network connectivity. Network operators. So here we can select automatically, choose automatically, or we can select manually also. If we disable this one, it will start searching the available networks for the particular SIM provider, and we can select from that. It's better to keep choose automatically always, so that we are moving one place to another place, so that it, and then it will automatically select the available networks. Going back, again going back. So SIM1, again the SIM2 also same settings, and the next settings is mobile data. Here mobile data we can enable, disable it to connect the internet. If we are not connecting through the Wi-Fi, we can use the mobile data. Here I have connected both mobile data as well as Wi-Fi network. Preferred network type. So if we go and tap on preferred network type, we can check 2G, 3G, 4G automatic, 2G, 3G automatic, 2G only. 2G, 3G, 4G automatic, that means whatever network available type, it will connect automatically. If then 2G networks only it's getting, means it will connect only 2G. 3G networks only available for the particular placements, it will connect 3G. 4G available means it will automatically connect 4G. Everything it will open automatically. So if you are selecting the 2G, 3G, then it will connect only the 2G and 3G. 2G only means it will connect always 2G only. It will not connect automatically to 2G or 3G network type. This is preferred network type. And then dual 4G networks. That means we are having two SIM cards, and both SIM cards 4G enabled. That means when we are tapping network connectivity from one SIM to another SIM, it will automatically enables the 4G for the selected SIM card. That is called dual 4G network. We can keep this enabled always. And the data saver. Data saver, we can use data saver so that it will save the data. It will restrict the background application running. The data is always saved. We can enable and disable this one. Going back, yeah, this is the default options. Default SIM for voice call. So we have two SIM cards. Which SIM cards we need to make as a default call for when we are calling to some number, that is voice call. Default call is Vodafone, and messaging also defaultly it will go message from the SIM2. And mobile data also, if you switch on the mobile data, it will automatically connect from the SIM2. And another one is smart callback. That means when we are getting call from one number to SIM2, if again we are calling that number by tapping on that and calling, then it will go to from SIM2 only. That is a smart callback, same SIM card. If we disable it, it will prompt us whether we need to call from SIM1 or SIM2. So better keep enabled smart callback. If we need to change, we can click on 3-dot vertical button in the call history, and we can call from SIM1 or SIM2. Data connection switch during calls. We can enable this one, and also we can disable it. What this means, data connection we have selected for SIM1, the call is coming to SIM2. That means the data connection automatically switch to SIM2. That is the option, so we can keep enable or disable this one. Going back, dual channel network acceleration. So this one is with the dual channel technology, using the both Wi-Fi and mobile data will provide you a smoother internet experience. The option intelligent network connection. Use both Wi-Fi and mobile data when connection is poor for improved stability. Okay. We can enable both Wi-Fi and mobile data. So we are going and surfing some web surfing, doing through the browser, or any online games we are playing, that means if the Wi-Fi network's stability strength is going down, then it will automatically use mobile network also. For that reason, we can keep this enabled or disabled. Next one is dual channel download acceleration. That means if you are downloading one movie, let's say 8 GB or 10 GB movie, we are using both Wi-Fi and mobile network. The same scenario, if the any network strength is going down, it will use either or both to increase the speed of the download. For that, we can enable or disable this dual channel download acceleration. Going back, data usage. Data usage, here we can check data usage for SIM1 and SIM2, again Wi-Fi. So everything, there is a option called mobile data usage. We can click on this. We can check what are the apps used, how much MB, how many apps it's used by for the particular period. Same way we can go for SIM2 also. Wi-Fi also we already seen Wi-Fi data usage. Billing cycle. So we can select the billing cycle for every month when it starts billing cycle, day 1 or day 2. So this option we can make it available. So let's say we are doing the mobile recharge on first of the month, then we can keep this is the 1. Again we can change when we have done. Amount of data used for the current billing cycle, it will calculate from the billing cycle start date. Auto disconnect from the network. So when the data usage limit is reached, it will automatically disconnect from the network. So we can enable this and we can set the data limit. So let's say 5 GB, it's already set by default. When the data usage is reached this data limit, then it will automatically disconnect it. Again, set data warning. We can set data warning for 4 GB, 5 GB or 3 GB. So once the data usage reached the 2 GB data, then it will give the warning message to us. We can enable, disable this option also. So we can set the billing cycle for SIM1 as well as we can set for SIM2 also. Going back, hotspot and tethering. Next one is hotspot and tethering. You can go inside the hotspot by tapping on it. So we can select Wi-Fi hotspot. We can switch on hotspot and we can share the network with the other devices. Okay. Hotspot name. We can change the hotspot name.